Hello and welcome to Hairbyshaunda TV. In today's video, I'm doing a sew-in with natural leave-out. Let's go. So prior to recording, I parted out a section in the front and the top for her leave-out. And that's the only part we're leaving out. We're not leaving out any in the back because that tends to break off. And it's not like she'll be wearing it in a high ponytail or anything. So yeah, just the top and the sides. So I keep a bundle of curly human hair to add in for braiding. Her hair is pretty thin around the edges. It's not like thin balding, but it's just a little weak. And I like to add braiding hair so that when I sew on the hair extensions, it doesn't pull so much on her hair because we're sewing in a lot of weave. So I like to use the human hair instead of synthetic because synthetic usually causes a lot of itching in most people. So I just use the human hair on everyone to prevent that from happening. Alright, so now that I've got it all braided down, I have my big giant roll of weaving net here, and I'm just going to measure it to her head and sew it down. Okay, so I don't have any big time company to promote the hair extensions in this video. Any companies want to send me some hair, feel free to email me and do so. No, but she brought her own. We're reusing some old extensions here that she's had for about 3 sew-ins, and this is really good hair. That I don't know if she bought this from me because I sell hair too, Salon Cast brand. But I can't remember if she bought it from me or if she had it already. But yeah, we shampooed and colored these hair extensions so that we can reinstall them for this sew-in. And it's gonna look good. It's good quality hair. Oh, and it was 3 bundles that we're using, 3 bundles of hair. Yeah, we're not above reusing hair around here. If you are the type that always need a new fresh bundles every single time, yeah, the quality is probably lacking somewhere because good hair can be reused for a few sew-ins. Good quality hair can be reused. And yes, I cut my tracks. Yes, I do, honey. Because I like it super flat. You know, I will fold over tracks in certain parts, but when it comes to the very top, we cutting that track at the top. I'm not about to be out here folded up at the top now. Now, this is Miss Darlene, honey. Y'all gonna see her in a few videos, okay? Because this is Miss Darlene, honey. Y'all gonna know who she is. Miss Darlene like her little splash of pink in the front. She like, don't forget about this part. So, yeah, we're adding a pink track underneath and just to give her a little peekaboo bang. Would show y'all, but it's not.
That's right. They know sense in us getting your hopes up for something that's not attainable.
So I said, I would tell you what I'm using, but it's not for sale. This is my Castley Hair Care Beeswax. It wasn't a #1 seller, so I discontinued it, but I still use it. Y'all wasn't buying it. Y'all was wearing out my edge control and my silk serum, though. Thank you for that. And my heat protectant. Thank you for that, guys. Y'all was buying that up. Sold me out so many times. But that beeswax, baby, was not going anywhere. Which is fine. It's okay. This is that.
Oh, I got it. I don't know how to use it, but it sure be smelling good in my hair. Listen, I take it like this and do like this all around, but it don't never look like that. But like you doing.
Yeah, we got and direct it in there like so.
Because this one lady, she said, me and my she said 4C. It's 4C in normal hair, because she said that's not what my hair. Oh, because I said, I think I have 4C too.
No, you don't.
Child.
You can't even grow 4C if you wanted to.
Girl, that's what they was looking at me for, like I was being funny. I was not being funny.
I'm just saying, that's what they was thinking.
Ooh, child. Girl, because she was saying, like with it, she was like, don't you use, what did she say? I said, nah, I know my beautician uses that, but I don't know how to use it. And I think she was looking up at my head today, too, because I had to have a conversation with her. Girl, it's already, see, I feel it like, I feel like the attitude with that. You see what I'm saying? Is that damn recorder on? No, it's not. No, it's not. See, I like this. Because it's going to be just like, girl, when I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you. That's what I'm talking about.
All right, so while the edge control is setting, I am going to cut and curl her hair. She wants layers. She wants not choppy layers, but layer it, make it a little fluffy, curly, give it a little body. All right, the curls are complete, and I'm just going over it with a little bit of Joico holding spray, especially in the front, because I know she's going to play with that front. Me knowing Miss Darlene, she is going to play with, look at her, already, see, already touching it.
Yes, just. And it's still going to be. Oh. Oh. Cute.
Now the edge control is set. I'm removing the paper, and I'm just going to comb it in place. And with my edge control, when you brush it, it doesn't flake up or anything. You can move it from left to right. It'll still be stuck in place. See, I'm brushing through it, and it still looks nice and clear and smooth. Okay, we're all done. You wouldn't even know this is some old reused bundles. It looks good, right? Full of body, nice layers, got the little splash of pink in the front. Yes.
I can obstruct the view, you know what I'm saying, like I love to do. Anyway, this one. Go ahead and turn me up. Turn me. Yeah. Yes, this is, do this, do this. Girl, I know your butt getting it all on camera. I might as well clown. While I'm at it. Yes, I want to see it. Yes.
Well, that is the conclusion to my wonderful video for you today on Hair by Shaunda TV. Thank you for watching. Log on to saloncast.com if you want educational ebooks on how to get ahead in the hair industry, and you can purchase products on there as well. Watch my other videos, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, be blessed.